Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if the specified procedure cannot be found error that you are facing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to search menu and type cmd, opens up command prompt, click run as administrator and click yes. Now in this command prompt window you just need to type sfc space slash scannow. Press enter guys. This is file checking utility scan guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, this verification 1% need to get 100% guys. After finishing this, close out of here and restart your PC. Hopefully that can able to resolve a problem. But if you still having a particular issue with this pop-up, I recommending reinstalling or re-downloading whatever application was causing the problem. Hopefully your problem has been resolved. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.